मेरी चप्पल, come back. Hey, my slipper. छोड़ो, leave it. भागो यहाँ से. तू इंग्लिश भी नहीं समझता. Bad dog. अब आ तू. हद. This doggy, I will see now.
Stinky baby, naughty baby, time for you to shower. Problem mummy, problem papa. What a great power, power. Okay, I got it.
आज तो मैं देख रही हूँ. सुनिए. ओ जी सुनिए. Either the dog stays or we stay.
सही है. I'll book the return ticket.
You think it is a joke? He tore my clothes.
Clothes. I bought.
He's biting the couch.
Couch. Rahul bought.
And whole night he's snoring.
That's you.
Yeah.
Why are you doing all this drama?
Bus. Said it to said it.
Hi guys, how's it going?
अरे, Ellie बेटा.
How was your day?
लाओ मुझे दो.
बेटा, you didn't have to buy us gift.
Ali beta. It's not our age to play with toys.
Mummyji, these are for Zeus.
Juice.
No, thank you, I'm good.
Mention no.
Ellie बेटा, what will Juice do with the toys?
Juice?
No. I'm drinking my tea.
Ellie, this is Zeus. Can I use this towel?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
The furry folks.
Yes, you see, playing with these toys, it helps dogs use up energy, and it can help with teething and relieving stress. No more chewing the furniture or slippers.
Stress. He doesn't pay rent.
That part is true.
What is this?
That's... Oh, Zeus!
Oi, Juice!
Zeus!
Down! Get Juice off the sofa.
Sorry.
Wait.
Honey, what are you
I've got to say.
I was just trying to...
This dog is everywhere. Be careful, yaar.
I'm sorry.